the fire burning in her eyes, the chaos that controlled my mind. I whisper goodbye, she got on a plane, never to return again, always in my heart. Oh, this love has taken its toll on me. She said goodbye too many times before. Her heart is breaking in front of me. I have no choice, 'cause I won't say goodbye anymore. Oh, 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 oh.
Let the geek in the pig take a stab at it. If you like the way I'm thinking, maybe wink at it. I may be skinny at times, but I'm fat full of rhymes. Pass me the mic and I'm gonna grab at it. Well, isn't it delicious, crazy way that I'm kissing this baby? Listen to this, don't wanna miss it while it's hitting. Sometimes you gotta feed in to get in, but don't ever quit, 'cause soon I'm gonna let you in. But see, I don't care what you might think about me. You'll get by without me if you want. I could be the one to take you home. Baby, we could rock the night alone. If we never get down, it wouldn't be a letdown. But sugar, don't forget it, what you already know. That I could be the one to turn you out. We could be the talk across the town. But judging by the color, confusing for another, you might regret what you let slip away. Yeah, baby, look at me go. From zero to hero. You better take it from a geek like me.
My pressure on your hips, I sink in my fingertips. Well, every inch of you, 'cause I know that's what you want me to do.
I don't care what you might think about me. You'll get by